Justice Mahmood Abdulgafar of the Kwara State High Court has fixed December 3rd for the commencement of the trial of the former governor of Kwara State, Abdulfattah Ahmed, over alleged diversion of public fund to the tune of 3 billion naira. The former governor, who was rearranged from the Federal High Court, is being charged for diversion of Universal Basic Education Fund for other purposes. During the rearrangement on Monday at the State High Court, Ilorin, the former governor and his former commissioner for finance, Demola Banu, pleaded not guilty to the charges and were granted bail in the sum of 100 million naira each. The prosecuting counsel said the rearrangement from the Federal High Court to State High Court was as a result of conclusion of investigation of other aspects of the allegations and to avoid moving from one court to another.
The case came up today for the first time, and our charge was accepted by the judge, and we applied that the charge be read over to the defendants, which the court granted and read it over to them, and the case is adjourned to 3rd and 5th of December for trial. And the court also admitted them to bail because they were enjoying both administrative bail and the bail in the other court. They pleaded not guilty. We investigated other aspects of the allegation made against them. So the investigation was completed, and it is just prudent to have them in one court as again moving from one court to the other. So that's what we have done. And the charge is just merely on the veerment of funds meant for universal basic education.
The charges was withdrawn last week at the Federal High Court, and my client, that is His Excellency Governor Abdulfattah Ahmed, was arraigned before this particular court this morning, and the charges was read to him, and he pleaded not guilty, and we applied for the bail. Bail was granted, and the matter is adjourned to December